One way administrators can support coaches is to ensure that there's clarity around the policy around confidentiality. Now, I'm not going to say what the policy should be, but I do feel confident saying that the less confidentiality, the less openness on the part of the person. And we all probably have experienced the fact that many times teachers talk to administrators differently than they did when those administrators were other teachers. The person who evaluates you sometimes are hesitant to open up, and you want a coaching conversation where the person feels free to say, oh man, I really need help with this, to be open. And if we're talking to somebody who's evaluating us or talking to the evaluator, it might interfere with that. More importantly than that, though, I would say the most important thing is to be clear on what is and isn't confidential and to communicate that widely across the system. If you say one thing and do another, it's inevitably going to erode trust. And if you want trust, people have to know this is the policy and the principal lives by it and the teacher lives by it and the coach lives by it, and there's a widespread understanding of what will and won't be shared. That widespread understanding creates a setting where coaching has a better chance of succeeding.